How to make a full page background image in Word. So if you're designing a cover page, a flyer, or a professional brochure in Word, leaving the background plain white can look pretty boring. But if you tried adding an image, you probably know how annoying it is when Word margins block it from going full bleed. I'm going to show you the absolute best way to insert a perfect edge-to-edge background image that stays exactly where you put it. So first open up your Word document and head up to the top menu. Click on the Insert tab right here and click Pictures. And then choose this device to find the image you want to choose. Let me just choose one. Alright, so here's my image. So once your image pops into the page, it'll probably mess up your existing layout, but don't panic. So with the image selected, click on the small layout option, rainbow icon right over here, that floats right next to the top right corner of the image. From this drop down, select Behind Text. So find it where the name is, Behind. There you go, Behind Text. And now you can freely drag the image anywhere on your page without pushing your text around. And instead of stretching the image manually, which usually leads to a distorted, blurry mess, let's let Word align it perfectly. So keep your picture selected and go to the Picture Format tab at the very top of your screen. On the right side of the ribbon, click the Align drop-down menu right here. And make sure that the Align to Page is checked. Right here, just check it. And now go back to the same Align menu and then choose Align Center here. And then click on the tiny launch arrow in the bottom right corner of the Size section. This will open up Advanced Layout window. So switch to the Size tab here. Uncheck Lock Aspect Ratio if you want to force it edge to edge, and manually change the height and width scale boxes to 100%. Okay, 100 here and here. And click OK. And as you can see, your image will lock perfectly into place as a full bleed background. That is it. Enjoy the guide as always. If this helped, subscribe.